Blow. Yay! Happy? Oh, may cupcake ka pa dito. Napakarami. Wow. Wow, sa'yo lahat yan. Yay!
Oh. Ano sabi sa'yo ng classmate mo and teacher? Ano nakasulat din sa...
Manapeta Apina pa statement na.
Ano yung sabihin nun?
Happy birthday, Apina. You're 5 now.
Tingko nga dress mo? Ikot. Set mo yun.
Hi guys, happy Saturday everyone. Today, ipapakita po at isi-share namin ang activity namin na pag-prepare sa birthday ni Athena. 5th birthday po niya. Finish na siya pero yung celebration sa ibang date. So, Mami, anong masasabi mo sa araw na ito?
Hiwa-hiwa lang.
Okay. Tapos ipapakita ko sa inyo yung pinaka maraming naiambag sa preparation. Okay? Relax lang kayo dyan. Ito na siya! Tadaan! Oh, di ba? Nanonood lang. Hi! Hello ka na. Bye-bye. So, yan. Kuha pa kami ng ibang clips para makita niyo yung mga preparation. Yes? Hello. Pagod na pagod.
Auntie, my foot is hurting. There's a stick inside.
Hello mga Zay! At so ngayon, natapos na kami mag-grocery ng fruits and mga other things para sa party ni Athena. Inabot na po kami ng gabi. At yan po si Athena. Wow! Ito po si sous chef. Ito po.
Look at my drawing. Look at my drawing now.
Ayan. So, ginagawa po namin tong videos na to para remembrance ni Athena para sa kanyang birthday. Okay. So, ito na po si chef. Yes, chef! Pagod na pagod. Pagod yarn. So, yun yung mga foods.
Yung gawa ni Carl di na napakita.
So, makikita natin yung final product, finished product tomorrow. So, bibidyan din namin yan para makita nyo. Alright! Alright, sige, bye-bye! Gagawin na no. Yes, sir! Yay! Shee!
Yes, Athena, there we go. Our birthday is turning 5, guys. Again, guys, we want to say thank you to everyone who's here today. You guys look beautiful. Again, guys, you're with me. Look at that. So, my friends, are you ready? I guess a lot of kids right there. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and half 10. Of course. Kids, we had so many things to do. We got a lot of gifts, giveaways today. And we want to, of course, say hello to straight from the USA. Okay. Thank you so much. And your name, bro? Carl. Carl. And I can see some fresh faces. Start of our game. And I can see, Athena, you want to sit over here, my brother's case? And we're going to call in, of course, Jaya and Harry to come. Very good. Very good. Come here, honey. Honey. Riel, right there. Okay. Honey, CJ, the first game we're going to play is that you're going to pick your favorite animal. What animal would you like to be? Any animal. A panda. Sorry? A bird.
Let's see. A dog.
A dog.
Parrot.
Parrot. Cat. Tiger. Animal. Pick your favorite animal. Favorite animal. Got it. Don't break your line. Don't break your line, CJ. A dog. Wolf. Okay, so I want you guys from to put your hands on the sides like this. Now what you're gonna do is something different. You're gonna sing happy birthday. You will say the word happy birthday using that animal sound. For example, I picked the dog. So you're gonna say
You listen.
okay. We guys good? Okay, so remember animals? So you pick panda. So you gotta be creative, and the best sound wins. Yeah, win or lose, you're gonna get a prize. Can you guys say thank you, Athena? Can you say happy birthday, Athena? Yeah, you ready? Okay, start with panda. Okay, panda. 1, 2, 3, go. Guys, everyone, hold your head. Yeah, count every animal. Okay, dog. 1, 2, 3, go. We're gonna pick the champion. Everyone, I'm gonna call CJ and Luca. Are you ready, CJ? Who won? Can you pick? Who picked, honey? Can you pick the winner? Can you pick the winner? Can you point at who won today? Athena, who won today? Oh, how many kids do we have? 2, 4, 6, 8. The next game will be kind of challenging. And that game would be 3, 2, 1. Do you know the game 3, 2, 1? Yeah! What's up? Isabella, you want to say something to Tina? Thank you. Riel, want to say something to Tina? Athena, are you happy? Yes. Let's make her friends. Okay. Let's make friends up. Don't be him. Okay, pero kahit malaki kalaban na lumalaban. Oh, wait. Chair. Disqualified for laughing. Hands on your head. No, forget about that. Just dance. Go on, be careful. Go on. Dito kayo bahala dyan. Okay, Jack, ay na, puputukin na yan. Upo. Dito kayo na bahala dyan. Wait lang. Dito kayo na bahala dyan. Oh, pwede na yan.
Mali pa lang.
So, Athena, picture take muna mo tayo.
Ay, sorry.
Blow the candle, no? Alright, of course. And do not forget, mga kids, all the kids today will be having, souvenir, and you guys don't go.
Hello, for my birthday party present. I'm gonna open it to see what's inside.
Okay.
Did they did it right?
Yeah. Wow. Kano galing to? From?
Isabella.
Isabella. Brielle.
Okay. O, sige na, mag-thank you ka na.
Ano sasabihin mo
That's
na?
all.
Thank you
Please.
for watching
Please,
my movie.
subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.
Wow. So,